As for the nonverbal kids, I suggest you use a whiteboard and put the words I want with a blank space here to put the facts or pictures indicating the items they wanted. As an example, if they want to play with bubbles, they can choose bubbles picture, they put it here, and now you can give them bubbles. Now, as for verbal kids, you may need a little more practice to teach them mending. For the first time trial, you can model the action by saying the full sentence, I want bubbles, and give them the bubbles. After that, you may reduce the prompt by saying I want and ask them to say the item, let's say bubbles. You give it to them right after they have successfully said. And for the next step, you can visualize the item and ask them to say it in full sentence before give it to them. Make sure to directly give the item to them right after they say it. And lastly, you can practice the mending with other items to generalize the use of sentence. Now let's take a look at the benefits. First, by teaching the mend, you may be replacing problem behavior with functional communication. For example, if a child has a history of getting milk contingent on crying, he will continue to cry to get milk in the future. However, if a child learns that saying or signing milk is more effective and efficient at getting milk, it is likely that the crying will be replaced with mending. Next, the child may start to like a wider variety of toys and activities. Because mending sessions involve making the activities or games motivating for the child may come to enjoy a wider repertoire of toys and activities. And lastly, children learn that talking is valuable. The children learns, I talk and my life gets better immediately. In other words, when the child says ball and the ball is delivered, the reinforcement is specific and timely.